Attention Realtors. You know how stressful last-minute showings can be, right? The clock is ticking and those eager buyers are on their way. Don't panic. TidyTex Home Cleaning is here to save the day. As a proud retired Army veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we pride ourselves on our reliability and professionalism. Our mission? To help you prepare homes for sale, improve property showings, and close those deals faster than ever. Picture this: a clean, inviting home that makes buyers feel at ease and ready to make an offer. With our flexible, quick turnaround times, we'll ensure your listings shine just in time for that big showing. And here's a tidy tip. For little to no cost, open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. A well-lit space highlights the home's best features and makes buyers feel more comfortable and at home. So why wait? Contact TidyTex today to take your listings from meh to wow. Check the video description for more details, including our website, phone number, and email. Let's make those homes irresistible and get them sold faster. Together. Your success is just a call away.